Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk S640 pen tablet, and now I'm gonna show you what we have in the pen tablet box, what we have in the complete, and let's unbox it. So, let's unbox. Of course, if you have the new device, you'll have the plumb here, so you need to unplumb it. So open it, and great. So here we have the pencil, our pen tablet pen, and as you can see, here we can't rotate it. Here we have not this pen have the battery inside, but we can't change it. This is lifetime battery, and as you can see, we can open this pen. We can rotate it, and here we have two buttons. We have two buttons, and we have the nib, a rechangeable nib, of course. So let's wait a while. I'll show you it now. So here we have the greetings card, and here we have the Veikk.com website. So by following this link, you can download the drivers for your Mac OS, Linux, or Windows device. And here we have our tablet. And so here, as you can see, we have the nibs and the tool to change these nibs. So as you can see, I have new nibs, so I don't want to unbox it right now. But to change the nibs, you just need to use a piece of paper. So as you can see, here we have a piece of paper, or of course these two. Using these two, you can do it too, and take your nib using the piece of paper and try to take it off. It's very easy to do. It's magnetic. You don't need to rotate it or something else. Then just insert the nib, and great. And here, as you can see, we have the quick start guide. So in the quick start guide, we can find the instructions how to download the drivers, how to connect it to the other to the other platforms. Wait a while. Here we can find the instruction of how to use our pen tablet, and as you can see, here we have LED indicator. So, and as you can see, of course, in our pen tablet we have the unchangeable USB cable, so we can't change it. So you need to be very intelligent with this cable, because if you will damage it, you can't change this cable. And great. So as you can see, here we have the working area, and we have these in the instructions. Here we have the working area. Here we have the ruler, yes, to upper marking line, yeah, and here we have active area for here is the ruler of lower marking line. LED indicator we have here. So when we will connect it to the PC, we will see here LED indicator, and that's it. On our pen, we have two buttons and pen nib, and of course, as you can see, as I told you, so here we have battery-free pen pocket. We can download the drivers, nib removal. So that's it. This is the full complete of the device. Great. So as you can see here on the active area, we have really soft material. I don't know, can I show you it or no? But it's really soft. So it's not just a plastic like in Wacom or XP pen tablets. So here we have paper style active area. So we can press on it, and as you can see, it's visible that I'm pressing on it. It's because Veikk creates paper style pen tablets to feel like drawing on the paper on the copybook when you're drawing using this pen tablet. So it's really great pen tablet. This was unboxing of this device. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.